Pick your character. You get to be a girl, Cayman.
How do I pick?
LBRB, yeah.
Wow, okay, faggots. I'll look like this lesbian so I can be a little more manly.
Alright, let's go. Hopefully, I'm excited. Oh my god.
Shut up.
Oh my god, these graphics can...
Me and Nick, the first time we played this, when the big monster jumped out in front of us, we were just sitting there like, that ain't even fucking scary, the fuck? Oh my god. Okay.
It's not everybody. This game isn't scary.
Where's everybody? Who's this? Who's this?
Hi, Jessica, I'm right behind you.
Who am I right behind? Is that Anthony? Oh, hey. Hey.
Where are you guys? Where are you guys? I'm lost.
Okay, come this way.
Wait, where?
God, my guy's hyperventilating over walking 2 steps.
Why is there all this wind? I hear wind.
Yeah, we're inside. It's a little bit drafty in here.
Nice shoes, Anthony. You got them Converse.
Wait, are we in groups or something?
I guess.
Where is everybody? Where's Sam?
Yeah, it's just me and Jessica and you and Anthony.
What?
This is like Scooby-Doo.
Wait.
Alright.
Where are you guys?
Okay, you are, you can be Velma or Daphne.
I'm with
and
Fred.
then I'll be the other girl since I have to be a girl
No, you're
character.
Fred. Who am I? I must be,
You're Shaggy.
Yeah. Hey,
Man,
Fred.
this is so fun, dude. Like, walking, dang.
Oh,
OG
here's tape.
experiences right here. Never forget it.
Oh, there's the tape.
What the fuck is that sound?
Tape.
Oh my god, that fucking... I can't get to his door.
Wait for me. I don't want to be a straggler. Just go. Okay, there you go.
Well, you don't have to be
I don't
right
like
up my
being-
butt.
Why is it all white?
Alone in the corner.
Found it.
Hey, there's a camera in that corner. Alright, so what's the point of this? There's a little camera.
What is this big ass
find the
monster right here?
tapes.
What the fuck is that?
So if you hear like a buzzing,
Alright, so what
go
what else
towards
am I supposed to do besides just walk around?
it. Find tapes.
Like, what's the point?
That's our objective. Okay, don't
Game
look at
isn't
that
even
green
scary.
thing.
Hey, is that a spaceship? Yeah, we found a
Yeah,
spaceship.
it's a UFO. Don't look at the green thing.
Don't look at the green thing.
No.
Oh, that's one. I remember that. Me and Nick were like, what happens if we look at the green thing? And Nick was like, I dare you to look at it and see what happens. I did. Oh, I remember this map. Fucking big white monster jumped out in front of me.
Do you wanna go? Do you wanna
Can
go
you like
that way,
punch
or
or
do you
anything, or
wanna
just
go?
walk?
No, just walk.
Hold on.
It's all nightmare, so I don't know why he hasn't jumped out yet.
I can't even see your flashlight. I can only see mine. That's annoying. I'm trying to run and look at yours, but it's not letting me.
I don't know why he hasn't jumped out yet.
Drinking that
Let me get inside this door.
Okay, we'll go this way.
Oh, fuck. It's a fucking room bear.
Oh my god, what was that?
Did you find him?
Yeah, we found him.
Oh, I found him. No!
Can you guys die or something?
Nah, not yet.
Okay, there should be a tape
God,
in
why is
here.
my guy freaking breathing
So if your
so loud?
screen starts getting all static like that, that means he's gonna jump, or he's gonna appear.
What's this?
No, it means he's gonna heal you. Walk towards
He's
him.
gonna...
Wait! Don't leave me!
I hear him.
I'm
What?
looking
I'm
at
staying
stuff.
in this room. I'm staying in this room. Just look for the tape.
We're playing some version of Slenderman right now.
Oh, I hear him.
He must love you guys.
Fuck yeah, I walked back in the room where he was, found a tape. You can suck my dick.
I can't find that tape that we found that other day. That one room with all the computers.
You mean the one where I died and I was standing by it?
No. The first tape we found. Oh my god.
What?
Where are you?
Oh!
Yeah.
That
Don't
green
get
thing.
out of that
Oh,
room.
I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna look at it. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm looking at it. Never mind. Everything's getting all static.
You guys are crybaby.
Okay, back this way.
Don't listen to the tape, Anthony.
Yeah, he said not to. Why are we doing this?
I mean, do listen to him. He said not to, so we should. Uh-oh.
What happens when we
Oh, fuck! Oh!
Fuck! Well, I'm dead.
Wait, Jake, where you go? It's dangerous to go alone, you fucking scumbag. You left me.
I died.
I'm dying!
Oh shit.
Mine in heaven.
God damn it.
Okay, there should be one
There's all
in
this
here.
Blue
Oh, there's a
stuff.
gummy bear.
Mine heaven.
Here, you look on the
Damn
right
it, Jake, where
cells,
the
I'll look
fuck
on the
are
left
you?
cells.
Right here.
Oh, my screen's getting staticky.
Oh, here's one.
Okay, me and Jake go and find you.
Did you both die?
Yeah.
Okay, I found it in here. Now we gotta get out. We'll go in here.
Are we in heaven now?
Yeah. Backtrack.
Yeah.
Backtrack.
Alright,
this.
yeah, it's near that. It's the door to the right. I think it's a double door.
Yeah, there's...
Oh my god!
Yeah, no, okay. What? No, never mind.
I
Straight.
dipped.
What way?
Oh,
Oh, there's only left.
shit.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we're in heaven.
Oh my god, am I the only one? Oh my god. Thanks,
You're
guys.
still alive.
sunshine.
I appreciate it. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I'm dead.
Oh my god.
My whole screen's blue.
I don't know where to go.
Oh, I'm in the submarine.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm choking on my spit.
We go in the water.
Do you guys know where the train is?
Alright, I'm in the giant computer room with the alien. There's a bunch of computers. There's a giant generator in the middle.
My battery's dying. Oh my god, as soon as I turn this corner. Oh, this... Okay, I'm good. Oh my god!
Jess, you remember that one room where I got lost? And I found the
No.
tape? I found it again.
Oh god, okay.
How do you pick it up?
You can't.
Can't, I'm dead.
Wait, what happens when you get all the tapes?
You win.
Oh, we can't
The
because
game's
we're
over.
dead.
Yeah, so I have to get them. Because I'm the only one alive.
What happens? I'm inside of you, Anthony.
Just stay in the book room if you can.
Oh my god!
Wait, where are you? Where are you
Oh
now?
my god, he's gonna eat my children. Run.
Jake,
I
come
dipped.
inside of me.
Oh, I found you!
Alright,
Came in.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Get out.
Alright,
Get out
the
of
log,
me.
the
I'm
log's
kidding.
this way.
Yeah, you... Oh my god, he's right beside me!
Here, where is he?
You can't see him when you're dead.
Come find me.
I found Cayman. There's a UFO room. Cayman, are you still... Okay. Oh, I found a gummy bear. Oh, I just did a big circle! Oh my god! Oh my... No!
Hey, Jake. Oh, never mind. I want to show Jake my moonwalk.
No words, my tears won't make any room for